This video we are discussing about the conceptual framework of management science or operations research. Before discussing about what management science or management science is, let's see the two terms management and science, and let's see what is its theoretical meaning. When we say about management, according to American Management Association, management is act of getting things done through others and having them do it willingly. So when we are able to make others work and we are making sure that they are willingly working, that is termed as management as per American Management Association. When we take the general meaning of science, science is the intellectual or practical activity encompassing the systematic study of the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation and experiment. So here we see it's an intellectual and practical activity. Yes, it requires thinking and some practical application is involved, and it's done systematic manner. The systematic study, what they are studying, the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world. They are studying the structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation or through experiment. So this is what science theoretically we have seen what is management and what is science. But in general, if you ask a common man what is science, he immediately may remember about a lab where there are certain group of people or just an individual who is making or who is examining certain objects which are either natural or man-made in a systematic manner. So that's what science is. They will be doing whoever the scientist, if you take for example, they will be doing certain studies in a systematic way. So that's what science. Now if we consider management's theoretical meaning, which we have seen earlier, yes, management is getting things done through others, but before that or in doing that, first of all one should know what are the things that has to be done, right? For that, planning is required. When we speak about planning, we may remember about a definition of management which is connected to planning. So we know planning, organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling certain resources, or it could be financial or human resources, just to ensure the objective of the organization is met. So that is what management is. So in each stage, the planning or organizing, directing, coordinating or controlling, in each of these stages, one has to take the decision. So every stage you have to take the decision. When you plan, there may be different alternatives available. Among the alternatives, you have to take a decision. You have to choose one. That's the decision you are taking. Similarly goes with organizing, directing, coordinating and controlling. Decision has to be taken at every stage. So if you are taking such decision using scientific method or using scientific technique or in a systematic manner, and then you can say what you are doing, you are using management science. This is what in broader sense we can say what management science is. To know more about the term management science, we have to see certain definitions which are given by some of the association and some of the scholars. Before looking into the definition of management science, we see some of the terms or concepts of the subject. They say management science is connected to the body of knowledge involving quantitative approaches to decision making. Whenever we are using certain quantitative approaches and using that, if you are taking decision, it's almost like you are using management science. So management science is also referred to as operations research because it's used in certain operations, and they are also known as decision science because they are largely used for taking decision. Now it's the time to look into some of the definitions of operations research. So before that, I would like to say there is no difference in the definition of operation research and management science. They are almost used like synonymous to each other. So let's take our first definition, which is given by Morse and Kimball. So according to them, operations research is a scientific method of providing executive departments with a quantitative basis for decisions regarding the operations under their control. The best way of examining the definition or understanding the definition is studying the words from the last. So if you take the last sentence, they said operations under their control. Under whom's control? They said executive department. So there are certain operations under the control of executive departments. With respect to that, they have to take certain decisions. And when they are taking the decision, it is always well and good. The decision is supported by some quantitative evidences. If they are taking such decisions using scientific method, then that can be called as operations research. So this is what Morse and Kimball actually meant when they discuss about operations research. So this is our first definition. Let's see our next definition, which is given by Operations Research Society of America. So according to them, operations research is an experimental and applied science devoted to observing, understanding, and predicting the behavior of purposeful man-made systems. They say there are certain systems which are made by man. They are purposeful man-made system, means they are made with certain objective. So now if you are studying these man-made system, by observing, understanding, and predicting their behavior, then you can call that as operations research as per Operations Research Society of America. Let's see one more definition which is almost connected to management field, which is given by H.M. Wagner. So according to H.M. Wagner, operations research is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. So simply, in simple words, he has given, if scientific approach is used by executive management to solve the problem, then it can be called as operations research as per H.M. Wagner. There are two definitions of operations research which looks very interesting. Let's see those two definitions which are given by Arthur Clarke. He says operations research is the art of winning wars without actually fighting them. So it makes us think, right, with how one can win a war without actually fighting the war. So if you are able to do that, then it's operations research. So you use certain scientific methods and you ensure that you are winning the war without wasting your resources. That's what he meant when he says art of winning wars without actually fighting them. There is one more definition which is given by Thomas L. Satie, which is also somewhat peculiar here. Operations research or management science is the art of giving bad answers to the problems where otherwise have worse answers. Otherwise a problem has a worse answer, but you're giving a bad answer, something better than worse. Then if you're doing that, that is operations research as per Thomas L. Satie. This is also true because when we are taking the decision which we have taken to solve a problem, that need not be the best decision, right? But whatever the decision we could have taken, among them the better one we are taking. So that's why we can say it's an art of giving bad answers to the problem where otherwise there are worse answers possible. So that is what Thomas L. Satie is. So this is how different scholars and associations have defined operations research or management science as.